Statistics. A very helpful function will be shown when you click on the statistics symbol. If you choose this function, the current statistics of your progress will be shown. At the top, you will find a total score of your progress. Under that, the individual topics are listed. There is also detailed statistics on how many questions you have already answered in total or in each topic, as well as how many you have answered incorrectly. Reset statistics. You can not only view your statistics, but also have the option to reset the statistics for all or certain topics. To do this, click on the red Reset button. If you click on the button in the Total Score area, all statistics will be deleted. If you click on the red button next to a topic, only the statistics for this topic will be reset. Click on a topic to see an overview of the individual answered questions. You can then click on a specific question that you are interested in and see how you answered. Bookmarks. If you click on the bookmark symbol, you can create a bookmark. Clicking on Add Bookmark shows you a text field. In this field, you can give the bookmark a name, for example, defensive driving. By clicking on Add Bookmark, the bookmark will be saved with the name you have given it. Once you have saved multiple bookmarks, clicking on the bookmark symbol will show you an additional option to select a bookmark. By using this option, you can view all bookmarks that you have saved. Click on a bookmark and you will be taken straight to the page that you have saved. Additional navigation. To quickly and easily get to a specific topic and question, there is another navigation available to you that can be accessed by clicking the symbol on the far right-hand side of the symbol bar. First choose the topic and then the question number. Confirm the selection by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. Configuration. The first symbol from the left opens the configuration menu. You can see here a list of all the exam topics. You will also be shown the number of questions for each topic, as well as the total number of all questions. At the top, you can choose to work through all questions or only the official exam questions. You also have the option to leave out individual topics by clicking on the tick next to the topic. Here, for example, the topics Signals and Maneuvers and Basic Maneuvers are not selected. Adaptive Learn Mode. At the top right-hand side of the configuration menu is the option Adaptive Learn Mode. This is an especially thought-through and effective system to prepare for exams. According to this system developed by Sebastian Leitner, you remain in each topic until all questions have been answered correctly 3 times in a row. Difficult questions will be asked more frequently according to your understanding. By learning in this way, you will prepare effectively for the exam. Please note that in contrast to the other 2 options in Adaptive Learn Mode, that depending on your system, it is only possible to navigate forwards as the coming questions will be based upon the ones already asked, and in this Learn Mode, only configuration and commentary are available. Only show the official exam questions. You have this option when the official exam questions for the selected topic are available. It makes a lot of sense to use this option when you want to view the most important questions shortly before the exam. Not all official questions are available, so others will be asked in the exam. Learning answers by heart is therefore not enough to pass the exam. The content must be understood. Therefore, it is best to practice with as many questions as possible and use the commentary to make sure that you have fully understood the content.